Hi viewers, welcome back. Now in this video, let us learn future tense. What is future tense? The uses of it in sentences, the structure of future tense, and how to frame different types of sentences in future tense. Please do watch my video till the end. If you didn't watch my previous videos, links are in the description box. So, please do watch, share, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Let us start the topic future tense. As we know, there are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Till now, we have completed present tense and its forms, past tense and its forms in our previous videos. Now, let's learn about future tense. It denotes future actions. This future tense has four forms. They are future simple, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Now let's learn one by one in detail. Now let's see future simple. It is used to describe an action in the future. Okay, future simple, it is used to describe future actions. What's the structure of it? Subject plus will or shall plus V1 plus object. Okay, examples: I will go, he will go, she will go, it will go, they will go. In all these sentences, commonly we use the helping verb will. We use the helping verb will in future tense. It is used to express about firm plans. Examples: I will see you on Tuesday. He will come here. The doctor will see you at 3 o'clock. It is used to express about firm plans, means those are the fixed plans. These plans never change. Okay, I will see you on Tuesday means definitely I will see you on Tuesday. He will come here means there is a certainty in the action. The doctor will see you at 3 o'clock means here the appointment has taken already and the doctor will do checkup at 3 o'clock. Means for fixed plans we use future simple tense. It is used to express predictions that will happen in future. Okay. Predictions means an act of saying what might will happen in future. Okay. They will guess and they'll say. For example, we see weather forecast. Okay. These are all predictions. My team will win the match. Experts say food prices will increase. These are all predictions. If we are certain about something, we use going to. Tomorrow is going to be a holiday as our school is the center for SSC exams. Okay, for expressing about certain things in future, we use the word going to in simple future. Tomorrow is going to be a holiday as our school is the center for SSC exams. In this sentence, the word going to is used to express about the certainty. It can also be used for promises. Examples: if you will help me to cook the dinner, I will help you in your project. I will return your book tomorrow. In these sentences, will is used, okay, as to express promises. Here, future simple tense is also used to offer or refuse to do something. Let's see some examples. Lakshmi, I am so tired today. Deepti, I will prepare dinner. Okay, in these sentences, if Lakshmi says I am so tired, Deepti offers her to prepare dinner for her. Okay, next Gopi, the phone is ringing and Deepti is saying I will answer it. Means when Gopi says the phone is ringing, Deepti is ready to answer the phone. Here it is also an offer. I will help you to finish the project. Okay, means I am saying to her that I am ready to help in doing the project. Thus, here the future simple tense is used to express offer. Okay, next it is also used to refuse something. I won't wash my clothes. No, I won't help you in household works. Okay, if I say to another person, another one, I won't wash my clothes, the other one is giving reply like this. No, I won't help you in household works. Means he or she is not ready to help me in doing household works. Means here it shows the rejection. Here, this future simple is also used to show the rejection or refuse. Okay, the future simple tense is used to offer or refuse to do something. Will is also used to request or order to do something. Examples: will you lend me your pen? Will you help me to carry my luggage? In these sentences, this future simple is used to request something from someone. Okay, next order. For example, if you went to a restaurant and then the waiter asked you, may I take order from you? Then you replied him, I will have a small cheese pizza. Here it is used to show order. Okay, shall. Like will, shall is also an auxiliary verb used to show the future actions. Okay, it is used to suggest something or requesting permission to do something. Okay, usually most commonly we use shall with the sentences I and we. Okay, let us see some examples. Shall I close the door? Shall we go out for the party? I shall be late. Okay, in these sentences, shall is used to suggest something and for seeking permissions. Okay, another important point. If we use time expression at the beginning of a clause, then we do not use future simple. We must use only present simple. What is it? Whenever we begin the sentence with time expression, we must use that clause in present simple. We should not use future simple for it. Let's understand with examples. When I will arrive at the railway station, I will call you. It is wrong. Here, the time expression, the clause started with the time expression. That's why here we use with present simple. When I arrive at the railway station, I will call you. Okay, this is the correct sentence. As soon as I reach the exam center, I will inform my parents. Okay, whenever the sentence begins with the time expressions like when, while, before, after, by the time, as soon as, etc., we must use present simple for that clause. We should not use future simple. Okay. Okay, let us see different types of sentences in future simple. Okay, what's the structure of them? Let us see now. Affirmative. In the affirmative sentence, we find subject, will or shall, V1 and object. Okay, for example, I will go to temple. Okay, we will go to temple. We can also say I shall go to temple or we shall go to temple. In the negative sentence, we add the word not. I will not go to temple. We will not go to temple. Okay, in the interrogative, at first we use the helping verb, then subject, verb, V1 form and object. Will or shall I go to temple? Will or shall we go to temple? In this way we can frame for all second person, third person also. Thanks for watching my video. Let's meet with another topic. Future continues in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.